In this video, we listed the 5 best drones under $100 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Xiaomi Mijia Z908 Pro. The Mijia Z908 Pro Max is a compact, foldable camera drone designed for recreational aerial photography and videography. It boasts features like altitude hold, one-key return, takeoff, landing, and waypoint flight, making it user-friendly. Available with 4K, 6K, or 8K HD cameras, it offers up to 18 minutes of flight time and is controlled via a 2.4 GHz connection with a remote control, app, or Wi-Fi. Despite its advanced camera capabilities, it lacks GPS, aerosol spraying capabilities, a built-in display, and has a low wind resistance. It's a lightweight drone, weighing only 169 g, with a removable battery and is certified by CE and FCC. Number 2. Z908 Pro Max GPS Drone. The Z908 Max is a foldable, ready-to-fly quadcopter drone designed for both beginner and expert users. It features an 8K UHD dual camera with remote adjustability, obstacle avoidance, and app-controlled functions like Follow Me and Trajectory Flight. The drone is equipped with a brushless motor for stable flight and can be controlled via a 5 GHz remote with a 9000 m range. It offers a flight time of approximately 28 minutes and has features like one-key takeoff, landing, headless mode, and dual camera switching. It's made of plastic and metal, weighs around 138 g, and includes essential accessories such as batteries, a remote controller, a USB charging cable, and spare blades. Number 3. Xiaomi Z908 Pro Drone. The Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max drone is a professional-grade folding quadcopter designed for aerial photography and videography, offering advanced features and high-quality performance. It is equipped with an 8K dual camera system capable of standalone and dual front-bottom camera recording, with a resolution of 7680 by 4320 pixels and 50x optical zoom. The drone features a 150 degrees electric adjustable camera with upside-down shooting capability, complete omnidirectional sensing, and stabilization technologies including optical image stabilization, gimbal stabilizer, and electronic image stabilization. Powered by an 816 brushless motor and a 3.7 V 3400 mAh removable battery, it delivers up to 40 minutes of flight time with a maximum remote control range of 10,000 meters. The drone supports GPS, FPV operation, and various intelligent functions such as one-key takeoff, landing, headless mode, 360 degrees rolls, gravity sensor, facial recognition, and runway flight. It operates on a 5 GHz frequency with 6 control channels and connects via an app controller, remote control, or Wi-Fi. The package includes the drone, remote control, battery, USB charger, spare blades, and tools, all housed in a storage bag and color box. Certified with CE standards, the drone is available in black or gray and is suitable for users aged 7 and above. Number 4. Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS Drone. The Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS drone is a compact, foldable, and feature-rich camera drone designed for aerial photography and videography. It is equipped with a brushless motor, GPS positioning, and intelligent obstacle avoidance for precise and stable flight. The drone supports 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, offering real-time image and video transmission up to a distance of 3,000 meters. It features multiple camera options, including 4K, 6K, and 8K HD resolutions, with a 120 degrees wide-angle field of view. The drone integrates advanced camera stabilization technologies such as optical, gimbal, and electronic image stabilization for high-quality footage. With a flight time of 22 to 30 minutes and a maximum range of 3,000 meters, it includes functionalities like altitude hold, waypoint flight mode, orbital motion, headless mode, one-key takeoff, landing, and automatic return. The quadcopter is lightweight at 236 g and made of durable engineering plastic. Additional features include a 6-axis gyroscope, LED lights, and 3 flight speed levels. The package includes essential accessories like spare blades, a screwdriver, and a garage bag for portability. The drone is compatible with a multilingual app for enhanced user experience and supports GPS functionality for seamless navigation. Number 5. S159 GPS PRO Drone. The Bankeksi S159 Pro is a feature-rich, ready-to-go drone designed for users of all skill levels, from beginners to experts. It boasts an 8K UHD video capture resolution with dual HD cameras, including a front lens adjustable by 90 degrees via remote control, offering a comprehensive view for aerial photography and videography. The drone is equipped with advanced features such as GPS positioning, optical flow fixed height mode, four-side obstacle avoidance, and intelligent follow-me functionality. It supports app-controlled operations like trajectory flight, one-button surround, and real-time video transmission via Wi-Fi. With a brushless motor for durability, the drone has a flight time of 10 to 20 minutes and a remote control range of up to 2,000 meters. Its foldable design makes it portable, with dimensions of 15 by 9 by 9.5 centimeters when folded and 34 by 30 by 9.5 centimeters when expanded. The package includes a rechargeable remote control with an LCD display, a 7.4V 2200 mAh lithium battery, and various accessories such as an 8GB memory card, screwdriver, blades, and USB charging cable. It also features speed gear switching, headless mode, LED night lights, and an emergency stop function. Certified by CE, this drone is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use and is recommended for ages 14 and up.